Hi.
How's it going? I'm Kenneth.
I got it this
yes,
time.
you did. I'm Kenneth.
I'm Celina.
And we're back. We're gonna play pack versus pack. Ow, that's my hand. For Pokemon Team Up, because we're same story as last time. We're trying to complete them.
I need more cards.
That's it. I'm ready to open this.
I'd be struggling out here opening these packs.
I'm pretty pleased that we're wearing like opposite pastels.
Ooh,
for like that
cool.
very dank zoom in.
Ooh.
And that focus. Alright, there's your code. Fairy energy. Steel. I'm starting off with Evelyn.
I got a Helios, which is like one of my favorite dinosaurs.
It's kind of cool.
A Diplodocus.
Yeah.
Ooh, these buff pads.
Nice. I got Pupitar. Oh, and yeah, Pupitar, my favorite family of all Pokemon is Tyranitar.
Oh,
yeah,
really?
Yeah. I love me Tyranitars. This is a cool Kakuna. Fat Dratini.
Little Play-Doh Joltik.
Little Play-Doh Joltik. That's really cute.
I mean, that ain't too bad. Did you know that Velociraptors are like the size of chicken?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
I think a little bigger. They're long.
Yeah.
They're really long. They're like 4 feet long. But yes, they're super short. Yeah, the dinosaur they actually use. There's lots of those.
Yeah.
This thing apparently weighs. Oh no, its evolution apparently weighs like 2 tons or something.
Cosmog, really?
Yeah, no, it's Cosmo M, I think.
Yeah.
So like they always have these memes I'm seeing of like an anime. They're holding them like in their hands, and they're like, these guys are buff.
Yo, Ash.
Oh, cute.
Oh, I got a prism.
Oh, nice prism.
Right,
I think you can just eat this card for that prism. All right, final card. Here we go.
See if I lose it. Oh, I lost it. I lost it.
Oh, Nice. Oh man, and it's the nice one
too. Ooh. Oh, that is
Dude,
the nice
I'm
one.
so jazzed about this.
Those are like one of my 2 ultimate favorite Pokemon.
That's sick. Yeah,
Gengar.
big fan of Gengar.
Yo, chubby boy.
Oh, so lucky.
Don't you love how Mimikyu was the only like electric rat spin-off that got really popular?
Yes, yeah, like the what's that hedgehog one?
Hedgehog one?
Togedemaru?
Oh, Togedemaru?
Yeah, that one just like was so forgotten. So Emolga was cool.
I liked Emolga.
Yeah.
Pachirisu was actually really
was cute. Yeah, I like that one too.
And then Possible Minum. Actually, I like quite a few.
Yeah, actually.
But everyone else was like, these suck.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay.
Detonate was one of the worst. Just fat Pikachu.
Yeah, it's just Pikachu with Raichu colors.
Yeah, that's right. But like, it doesn't look as cute as either. So it's like, man, my English is so flawed today.
Speaking.
I'm like the
dark.
Yeah, Mimikyu's wicked cute. Have you seen?
Yeah.
I've seen on Instagram people making art for it. Like it's wearing different skins.
Yeah.
Those are super cute.
I saw one where it wears the other Pikachu like outfit.
I see.
Yeah.
Like when Pikachu has cosplay stuff. Yeah, that's the super heavy one.
Cosmog is way cuter, so.
Yeah, I agree.
Would not evolve.
Oh, here. 2,204 pounds.
Holy cow. A big boy.
Yeah, he's a thick boy. Hitmonchan, Pidgeotto, Pidgey.
I got Pidgey.
This cute Charmander, I like it, I think, because it makes me think of The Land Before Time.
Yeah!
That's why I like it.
That was cute. Poochyena with those flat backgrounds.
Yes, yeah, the stock photo image. Litten. Oh, I just saw you have something that's gonna be too good. So I got a reverse Charmander.
Ooh, I got
Here we go.
Dangerous Drill. Baby!
Oh! The Ampharos!
Ampharos
You beat
versus
me. Because you got the full art.
Yeah.
There you go. I concede.
Baby.
Dang, son!
Alright, I got 2 Charmanders in 1 pack.
Yes. Very fortunate.
Sick.
I hate when they do that. You get a regular one and then a reverse one. Or you get a reverse and then the hollow.
Yeah!
That's the worst.
Excuse you.
Please.
Honestly.
Dang, man. That was like the first rare face-off. Alright, there is your code. Fairy energy. Man, the stakes are high now. Now that we've seen what we've given up. And the sweet spot. There it is.
This entire video is not focused. Persian
Pretty
again.
much.
What is this? Farfetch. Okay, you guys, this is the exact same order.
Oh, I hate when that happens.
Okay, it's okay. Now I got a tentacle.
Ooh, Ponyard.
Ooh, Grammar.
Actually, I don't know why though. I do love Mach. It's just such a cool Pokemon. I wish it was more useful, but it's just cool.
Yeah.
Ooh, cute. Play-Doh Pancham. Oh, another Prism. Nice.
Let's see if I get keep it though.
Go reverse. Here we go.
Boom! Mine's regular. Oh, they're both Alolan.
Yeah, they're both regular. Alolans. Let's go by HP again.
I win by
What is yours?
180.
No way! Why do I say that before I look? That's okay, I concede. That's a cool art for the little executor though.
You can real see his neck.
You can real see it.
I can speak English.
His neck. You can real see his neck. Yeah, Ultra. Ultra. That was a combo.
Yeah, that's...
I was way over that before I even started.
I didn't even get it. Like my friends...
Well, they sold it at full price again.
I know! I'm like
what the
I
heck?
have no money for this.
This addiction can only go in one way. Cards or games. Oh no! The first time ever on the show. A full card.
Oh wait, no, this is my rare.
What is it?
It's a hollow Zangoose.
Okay, put it aside,
Yeah.
We'll go through, we'll see. Hollow Zangoose. Dang.
Alright.
Alright, Nidorino.
This fairy charm. Okay, I don't understand these. Where is this even from? I've never seen
Whistle. Yeah.
Nidorino.
Oh, that bad guy. Nanu.
Imagine just growing up with the name Nanu.
That would be
Amolga. Look how cute Amolga is in this one.
Oh, I like this Mario Kart actually.
Ooh,
Nanu,
little
Nanu.
egg.
What's that from? Nanu, Nanu. Oh, it's Robin Williams. Nanu, Nanu. Pidgey.
Kyle.
Molga.
Another Pidgey.
Reverse Mimikyu.
Oh, more turtle.
Reverse
Pluto.
Pluto.
And then
Non-hollow mug.
Zangoose.
Oh, you win. You take my nasty. This is a really nasty looking mug.
I get him back
Yeah,
from
you
the
get
last
it.
video.
Last one for pack first pack. I have Pikachu. What am I talking about? Eevee
I got
and
Eevee and
Snorlax.
Snorlax.
Okay.
I can speak.
It's down to the wire. There's your code. Grass.
Ooh,
Burned it, dude. Alright, here we go.
this hefty boy.
A couple of twinsies. Ooh, nice Charmeleon.
Another Persian. Ooh, what's
Evelyn,
this?
I think.
Lavender Town.
Lavender,
Ooh.
Nice Dratini. Slim body.
Dude.
Tentacool.
Alonzo.
Ponyta.
Dratini.
Grimer.
Tentacool.
Cosmog.
Ponyta. Ooh, I'm not
Zorua. Oh,
Pidgey.
here's my... Oh, sorry, that was my reverse. Here's my rare. Aerodactyl.
Ooh, what's my rare?
Oh,
dang! Yeah!
Oh, no! Nice!
Baby!
Alright, I think we all
That's
walk
pretty
away
sick.
winning today.
Yeah, be happy today.
Oh, that's sick. Winnings. Full art,
This one's the
Mimikyu
one I had.
Gengar, and Prism Tapu Koko. Yep. And Celina's got
I got his Incineroar.
nice. Yeah. And also Mimikyu Gengar. And then that really nice Ampharos.
The real nice
Damn,
one.
that's solid.
Ooh.
Alright, thanks again, Celina, for coming by and playing pack versus pack.
Of course.
Again.
I can't wait to steal your cards again.
This is for reals. This is for keepies.
Yeah.
So don't even comment
Don't
that you
even be
think
like,
it's fake.
I bet you just gave it to her. No.
Nah, this is for real.
We got collections to fill, man.
That's right.
Binders.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Later.